you take a little bit of, I guess, I think courage is the right word, willingness to try and do something that you think tenants will need in 5 years' time, because no one may be asking for it or they are asking for it or whatever. I think there is an element of experimentation there.
There's definitely some elements of, being brave from the landlord's perspective, for sure. It's some of the sort of amenity that we're trying out, because there's not a business case for it, but intuitively, people are going to enjoy that. I think back to, I had an asset in Perth with a vacant rooftop, and we're like, I think this could be like a community garden or something, which was a bit out there for Perth. And it didn't require a huge amount of capex. So at the time, my fund manager was like, okay, well, we'll do that. And we created this amazing garden with the tenants could tend their own little plots, and we had beets.
Oh, that's cool.
And there was there's produce that you could distribute amongst the tenants. Like, it was just, it doesn't talk to everybody in the building, but understanding that there was a demographic in the building that would really enjoy that, you're resonating with them. And I think that's the key thing from a landlord and an occupier perspective is, don't assume that all of your tenants want the same thing. Don't assume that all of your employees want the same thing, because they don't. Historically, that's exactly what happened. You're all treated the same. You all went to the same little spot to do your work.